Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Temu coupon bundles. Coupon bundles are a great way to save money while shopping on Temu. So here's how to use them effectively. The first thing you want to do is to check your coupon bundle. And you can do that by opening the Temu app on your Android device or iOS device, depending on which device you're using, or you can access via your computer using your browser and get direct access to the Temu website. Just go and search for temu.com. Now, as you can see in this video, I'm using the app, so I'm just gonna go and click on the app like this. After you open the app on Temu, go to the rewards or coupons sections. After you sign in, now here, click on the middle profile icon and make sure you sign in and register by by entering your account credentials. Once you sign in, click on coupons and offers right here. Now these options will appear once you sign in, as you can see, so I'm gonna guide you through the process verbally and just follow my instructions. Now once you go to the rewards and coupons sections, you'll find all your available coupons and bundles together. A reminder, this will appear once you logged in. After that, review the coupon details by tapping on individual coupons to see their terms, including minimum purchase requirements, eligible products, and expiration dates. For the third thing you want to do is to shop for eligible products. Add items to your cart that meet the conditions of your coupon bundle and apply coupons at checkout. And when you proceed to checkout, your eligible coupons will appear automatically. Select the ones you want to use and they'll be applied on your order total. Make sure you stack coupons with other offers like Temu credits for maximum saving, and always check for newly added coupon bundles in your account before placing an order. And also use coupons before they expire to avoid missing out on discounts. And that's it. These were some information and some instructions on how to use the Temu coupon bundle. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.